Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see your card number on Wells Fargo app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing that you have to do is simply going to go ahead first of all access your particular Wells Fargo mobile banking app on your mobile phone. And when you go to this card section here in this front, by tapping on this menu, you will be able to access, you can see this credit card on top. Once you have tapped on the credit card option of yours, you will be able to access the information regarding it, and you can also check out the last 4-digit number of your card, but you cannot see the full information regarding it. This is simply for the security protocol, and just like other banking apps, Wells Fargo also does not give you the access for you to see the information. So all you have to do, if in case you have lost it, is to contact the Wells Fargo customer support and make them block your card or block your card just like that. So that is the only way for you to either trying to retrieve and remember the card, and there is no way for you to do from your app. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.